So hello guys and welcome back to our channel Simple Random Knowledge. So in last video we have learned about how to make arc, polygon, spine and ellipse. In this video we are going to see about how to fillet, chamfer. So you can see here the fillet option is not available right now. So first we need to make a sketch. So for making a sketch we follow the steps like selecting the plane first. So we select the front plane. So select a rectangle, corner rectangle, and you draw a rectangle over here. So you can see here the fillet option is available right now. So select one of the side and select second side. So you can see here the fillet is generated. So you need to give the dimension to fillet, that is 5 mm. So click OK. So that was with the fillet. If you want to see the chamfer option, then select the chamfer and similarly select two slides. Chamfer is generated over here. So that was with the fillet option and chamfer option. So in this video we are going to learn about how to trim the entities. So for making this option available, so we need to draw a sketch first. So selecting the plane first as a front plane and normal view, then drawing a square as a center rectangle from here, 20 by 20 square, getting a smart dimensions. So here 20 and here also 20. So you can see the square is formed. Now selecting the circle as center circle. So you can see the circle is formed inside the square. So now you can see the trim entities option is available for us. So selecting the trim entities, here you can see the power trim, corner trim. There are different type of trims available here. So we select the power trim over here and then just press mouse, left click, and you can see. So now we see the option of extend entity. So first we select the sketch as front plane, then selecting the normal, then drawing a line till here and drawing a vertical line. So now you can select these three extend entities, select this line. So here you can see the preview of that line. So you can see the line is extended to this line. So this is the work of extend entities. So now we talk about convert entities option. When you have a sketch which is complex, so to draw that sketch again, that is very much complex thing. So that time this convert entities option is used. So I will show you the demo. First select the plane, then select the circle, then draw a center circle. Now if you want to draw another circle, so we first select a plane which is parallel to that circle, that is a front plane, then sketch. And if you want to draw this circle at this plane, so simply click on convert entities option and select this entities and click OK. So you can see this circle is converted on this plane. We got two circles. That was the use of convert entities option. Now we are going to learn about linear sketch pattern. You can see this option is disabled right now. So to use this option, first we draw some kind of sketch. So first select this plane, front plane, then normal to, then draw a simple circle. And you can see the linear sketch pattern option is available right now. So click on linear sketch pattern. Then you will have some options at which direction you want to draw that linear patterns. So we select in X direction and we required the number of circles, that is 20. So simply click OK. So you can see this linear sketch pattern has been drawn. So that was the use of linear sketch pattern. So now we talk about circular sketch pattern. It is similar to the linear sketch pattern. We will draw some sketch. First select the plane, normal to, and draw a circle from origin. Now you can see the linear sketch pattern. If you click on the arrow, there is option of circular sketch pattern. So the user interface is similar to the linear sketch pattern. Simply we want to select the degrees and the distance of circles from each other. So I simply select the 6 number of circles. So in X direction, as we go on increasing the degrees, you can see the preview. So here we go, simply click on OK button and you got a circular pattern. So that is the use of circular pattern option. So now we are going to see the relations between the lines. That is the important thing. If you are going to draw any complicated element, there should be some kind of relation between each line. So for that I select a plane, normal to, then draw a rectangle from origin. Now you can see this green horizontal line. That shows these two lines are horizontal and these two lines are vertical. So now if we click on a line option and draw a line from this, so now you can see this coincident relation. It shows that this line is coincident with this line. That is one relation, that is coincident. Then if you want to make this line perpendicular to this line, so simply click on that line and press Ctrl and click on another line. So you can see add relation option is shown at your left side. So you can click on horizontal, vertical, collinear, perpendicular, parallel, equal to, or you can simply click for construction. So that line will be converted into construction line. So now I will click on perpendicular. So here we go. We got a perpendicular relation between this line and this line. So now I will show the relation of tangent. For that we need to draw some sketch, then circle from center. So draw a simple line which is touching the circle. So now you want to give the line tangent relation with the circle. So simply follow the step, click on the line, Control and click on the circle. So you can see the option of tangent is available right now. So simply click on tangent and then OK. So here we go. We got a relation of tangent of this line with the circle. So that's all with this video. If you like this kind of videos, please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon near it so we get motivations to make such kind of videos. Thank you.